Just wanted to do an update on this guy. PM2 15V. So let's talk about the sharpening. Reprofiled the edge to 12 degrees per side. And so far, this steel has had the strength to hold up to that. No rolling or no chipping. I have been using it quite a bit for light cutting chores, mostly cardboard, paper, and plastic. I tried a dual grit sharpening on this guy that I learned from Home Slice. You might have seen it on Cedric and Ada, how he could get really good performance with a polished edge in the front and a gritty, toothy edge in the back. And from how it feels, and this is kind of my theory, is the toothy edge is more aggressive, and it could reach out and grab material and initiate the cut. And the refined, polished edge is more like a push cut. So you kind of have the best of both worlds. This thing absolutely flies through cardboard. I'm really happy with it. I was able to get one because this guy is a factory second. My phone's not focusing too well. Yeah, it's not going to focus, but basically there's a little hang up in this choil area where it should be straight, and there's like a little dip, and that's kind of the reason why this does not pass CQ. But the action is great. Maybe you can see it right there, guys. That little choil area right in here. But I couldn't give a shit about that. That doesn't really bother me. I have oiled it. I'm looking forward to a slight patina on this guy. It is not a stainless. And from what I've read, it's pretty sensitive to oils, corrosion, whatnot. Oils from your skin, acid from food. So I don't really care if I get little rust spots. You know, I'm gonna just anything orange I'm gonna remove with a rust eraser, and then I'm gonna enjoy whatever patina it takes. Yeah, this thing is a laser beam. The edge on this does not quit. Alright, over and out.